One day, a girl was overwhelmed by the challenges in her life and complained to her father, a chef. He took her into the kitchen and showed her 3 pots of boiling water, each containing a different ingredient: potatoes, eggs, and coffee beans. After 20 minutes, he removed the potatoes, which were soft and weak after being boiled, the eggs, which were hard and strong, and the coffee, which had changed the water to create a new, rich and delicious beverage. He asked his daughter which of these 3 items she resembled when faced with adversity. Did she become soft and weak, like the potatoes? Did she build strength, like the eggs? Or did she change the situation, like the ground coffee beans? Moral of the story: this story suggests that we can choose how we respond to adversity and build strength or change the situation rather than become discouraged.